Welcome back to Killjoy Rehab, where building warriors from the ground up is our mission. Are your shoulders locked up? Does your neck feel like concrete? Most people move like rusty hinges because they've lost the basic mobility that we were born with. This episode, as always, is dedicated to Sergeant First Class Ryan Savard, U.S. Army Special Operations, killed while serving in Operation Enduring Freedom, October 13th, 2012. So far, we've covered ownership, 150 minutes of movement, 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, hydration, and posture with microbreaks. Mobility is the next layer. Without it, good posture and movement doesn't stick. Tight hips, stiff thoracic spine, frozen shoulders, these all steal your capacity and add load. You know load, the heavy weight and tension you feel at 3 in the afternoon. Simple daily mobility helps to fix this. You spend 5 to 10 minutes a day on controlled stretches and movements such as cat-cow, thoracic twists, shoulder dislocates, neck circles, hip openers. These are all going to help you. Move what's stuck. Restore what you've lost. Pain drops when you give your body the movement that it needs. Why isn't this normal? Sitting all day and scrolling on phones is easier than daily work. Most people want to wait until the pain is unbearable before they start doing something about it or before they start moving or stretching. Our system, our healthcare system, pushes passive treatments instead of teaching you how to restore your own body. Clinical Pearl. Most people think they're just getting old. Truth is, you're just not moving enough, in the right ways, in the right places. A few minutes of focused daily mobility can feel like taking years off of your joints. That mobility is like brushing your teeth. You do it every day because you need to, and otherwise you'll feel guilty if you don't, right? We've all been there. Your assignment for this week is to pick 3 to 4 simple mobility moves. Examples: child's pose, cobra, pigeon stretch. Do them for 5 minutes. Alternate back and forth for 5 to 10 minutes. Do this for the next 7 days and note how your neck, your shoulders, your back feels after day 7. Mobility is like clearing dirt off your weapon before battle. A stuck system is going to fail you under load. A mobile one performs when it counts. Own your mobility, own your freedom. For Ryan and for all of our fallen, Killjoy out. Get moving, guys.